Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Kranthi. Today I show you how to do drag and drop of your cards in Angular using CDK. CDK means Component Dev Kit. It is a library of Angular material. So we install Angular CDK and Angular material from npm. So CDK and material are installing. So here you can see CDK and material 7.3.7 version really installed. So here we need to import those two modules in app.module.ts. Drag drop module, and we need to put it in imports, and the same we need to install the material card module also. So we imported drag drop module and material card module in app.module.ts. Next I'm going to app.component.ts. Here I declared two arrays. One is numbers 1 and numbers 2. You can see over here, and in .html file. I written already some HTML code for time saving purpose, and some CSS also. So in TS file we need to import cdk slash drag drop, cdk drag drop. Here we need to import cdk drag drop, move item in array, and transfer array item. So that's it. So whatever arrays we declared here will loop in here through ng for. So first array name numbers 1, numbers 1. Here I am doing interpolation item dot name. So same here also. This is numbers 2. Yeah, and saving file. So we'll run ng sub -o 420. Yeah, now here you can see. So, but this is one array and this is another array. Now you can't drag and drop the cards. So first thing you need to do is, here we need to write cdk drag. So now we can able to drag the cards. Yes, I show you. See here you can drag the cards. Still we didn't write drop. Here you can see drag. See, you can see how smooth These are, so we'll implement drop option also. So for that we need to write here first CDK drop list. So this drop list, I'm taking in one reference. This is I give I, and the CDK drop list data. CDK drop list data is here members one, and CDK drop list data connected to this. I will give and CDK on drop dollar event. So same thing we need to write here also. So now we need to write on drop method in TS file. So this event of type CDK drag drop string array of strings. So here, if it is if we drag the cards in same array, we need to write the condition event dot previous container dot data equals to event dot container dot data. If we drag the cards in same array, then this condition becomes true. Else, we need to, it goes to else block. So here we need to call the move item in array. So here you can see move item in array. We need to give array and a from index and a to index. So here we need to give event container data array. From index we need to give event dot previous index comma current index. Sorry, current index. This is an event dot current index. Before that, I show you output how it is. See, this is like this. So else we need to give transfer array item of. So here you can see transfer array item. We need to give current array, target array, current index, and the target index. So what else we need to give? Event dot previous container data. That's it. We gave in current array, previous array, current array, previous index, current index. That's it. So save the file and it's compiling. So yeah, now we see. So in HTML file, what we have to do is whatever this array reference, we need to give here. CDK drop list connected to I. This we give just hello. This we need to give here hello. That's it. So we can drag this array cards into numbers one array and numbers one array cards into numbers two array. That's it. Now we can see the output. See. Somewhere. Sorry, this is published data numbers two. So this is numbers one. Yeah. So drop list data, this is numbers one array. Here drop list data numbers two. Yes. Now we can see. See. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching.